Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our React JS CRUD application using API. Okay. So now guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to delete the data from the database using API. So now guys, let's get started. So let's move to this students route and to the page. Okay, that is student.js file. Let's move back to the file and here we are on the student.js file as simple guys. And now let's move below at the HTML table. Okay, so this is my HTML table. Open this. So here is my table head and this is my table body. So this table body is in a variable called student details. So let's move to that variable student details. Here is a student details where we are looping all the student records. In this HTML we have a delete button, and on this delete button we need to delete the record. As simple. So now guys, let us get started to delete the record. Okay, so first step, let's mention this button type as button, and then on this button click we need to get the ID and pass it inside a delete function. So as simple, let's create on click equal to open and close curly brace, pass the event, and inside that event we pass the delete student function. So we need to create this delete student function, and inside this I pass the event and then the item ID. So we can copy this item ID, that is your student ID. We pass the event and the ID. All set. So now we can copy this and just go, and here let's create that delete function. Okay, so const where delete student equals to open and close and pass this function. Okay, so as simple guys, and now here you get your event, the first data, and second is your ID. I just want to prevent the page refreshed, so event dot prevent default. And now, so first this clicked equal to event dot your current target. Okay, so you get your current data. This clicked inner text equal to as deleting dot dot dot. So once we click that, it will show deleting, and then send the Axios request Axios dot delete function. So guys, let us not waste time. Let me just copy it from top. So we can just use from the student edit. So what we'll do, let us go here. Let's copy this simple code, Axios post request. So here we paste it. Okay, and here we need to change to delete method. Why are we changing to delete? Because we have used that in our laravel. So here you see on the route delete we are using this method to delete the record of that student. Okay, so guys, let us copy this URL API. Let's paste here. All done, and you need to make editable here, which we are going to pass the ID. So let's copy this ID and send here. Okay, so we pass this ID and there is no data, so let's remove that. We are not sending any other data. And then inside the then you get the response, and once the response comes you show the message and set loading. Whatever loading goes, you set it to false, or else we are not showing the loading process. Why? Because we are using something like this. Okay, so once we click on delete button, it should tell it's deleting, not loading. So we can remove this set loading part, and you can copy this and paste here and tell the closest of table row dot remove function. Okay, let's remove this. So on what we have clicked, we are going to remove that complete table row. So if I click here on this delete button, so if I click here on this delete button, it will remove the this complete row, ID number 3 row. Okay, and then let's move below in the catch function. So here never comes your input request, it's just the ID, sending the ID and checking. So if ID is not found, you can show this alert. Text you can make it to delete. Let's copy this and paste here, and here we make it to delete. Okay, and then guys, here your 500 internal server, you can make it to set loading false, but we do not require. Just remove that and keep only alert. So let's get back. Let's add the student here. I'm going to add on dummy, then dummy at gmail.com, then 10-digit phone number and BBA. Let's save the student. So once student is saved, it goes back to the students page. Okay, student created and redirected to student, and here is your record. And now guys, I'm going to click on delete. Let's see it deletes or not. So let's click on delete. It's showing deleting, and let's wait. Okay, student deleted successfully, we got the message, and here you see that fourth record is been deleted. Let's refresh and see whether it just removed the record or deleted the record. Perfect, so it's deleted the record also guys. Cool. So now guys, we have successfully learned how to delete the record in React.js application. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.